Business paragraph 17. The report and accounts are, as usual, in considerable detail, but as they have been in your hands for the past 3 weeks, you will have been able to study them at your leisure, so today I am sure would like me to follow our usual custom of taking them as read full stop. I shall of course deal with any special features in the course of my remarks full stop. The 12 months to October 31st last developed rather in the way we anticipated full stop. At one time we thought that the results would not make such a good showing as eventually proved to be the case, but two factors helped to improve the position full stop. In the first place, our export trade was larger in volume that during the previous year, and this naturally gave us some advantage full stop. Secondly, for the last 2 months increased selling prices were in operation, from which we derived a corresponding benefit full stop. New para. This was long overdue, but the full advantage should of course be felt in the current year full stop. While the view expressed by your board a year ago that they could not be confident that benefits would be maintained at the same high level was thus born out, you will understand that the results might well have been worse full stop. I hope, therefore, you will regard our achievement as satisfactory in the circumstances full stop. In your examination of the balance sheet, no doubt you have noticed the considerable increase in the bank loan, and I should explain that this was altogether in exception for the following reasons full stop. First of all, we were fortunate enough to receive a larger allocation of dollars for the purchase of leaf tobacco from the 1982 crop, which enabled us to obtain supplies over and above those needed for current usage, and so add to our depleted stocks full stop. Secondly, after buying had been in progress for some little time, it became apparent that it would be wise to accelerate our purchases, with the result that remittances had to be made by a much earlier date than usual full stop. New para. This largely accounts for the fact that our indebtedness to the bank was very high full stop. In this connection, you will be glad to know that it has since been gradually reduced and at the present moment actually stands at approximately 500,000 pounds less than at the date of the balance sheet. Full stop. Here I should like to say that our banker give us extremely good service and fully understand and appreciate our needs. Full stop. It is essential for us to have ample funds available on reasonable terms, particularly as we collect so much revenue on behalf of the government. Full stop. No less than 85% of our home trade turnover represents duty which we pay over to the Inland Revenue Department, and which is not refunded to us until at least 6 weeks later. Full stop.